When most people hear the word crypto, they think of quick money, risky bets, and wild price swings. And yeah, crypto can be chaotic, but there's a lot more to it than just gambling on Bitcoin or chasing the next meme coin. If you're smart, strategic, and patient, there are legit ways to make real money with crypto. So let's talk about how it actually works. Buying and holding. This is probably the most well-known approach. You buy coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some smaller altcoins and hold on to them for the long term. The idea is simple. Buy low, wait, and sell high. This works best if you believe in the long-term value of crypto and you're willing to ride out the crazy ups and downs. Now, timing is everything here. You don't want to buy in when a coin is trending on Twitter and the price is already through the roof. That's usually when retail investors get burned. Smart money buys when everyone else is scared or bored. When the hype dies down, it's not about being flashy. It's about being patient and doing your homework. Then there's trading, which is a whole different game. It's more active and, yeah, a lot riskier. Day trading or swing trading crypto involves buying and selling on short-term price movements. Some traders use technical analysis, those charts with all the squiggly lines, to try and predict what's coming next. Others follow news cycles, social trends, or big investor moves. But here's the thing, trading isn't for everyone. It takes time, discipline, and experience. You've got to be comfortable with losses and not just once in a while. You'll lose a lot while learning if you don't have a solid strategy, or if you let emotions control your decisions, you're probably going to get wrecked. That said, for those who put in the work and really understand market behavior, there's good money to be made. One of the newer and honestly more interesting ways people are earning with crypto is through staking. This is when you lock up your coins, usually in a blockchain network like Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano, to help keep the network running. In return, you earn rewards. Think of it like earning interest at a bank, except the rates are often way higher. Now, this isn't just free money. There are risks. Prices can drop while your tokens are locked up, and not all projects are trustworthy. But if you pick a strong network and understand the terms, staking can be a pretty chill way to earn passive income. Another option that's gotten popular is yield farming and liquidity mining, especially in the world of DeFi, decentralized finance. This involves providing liquidity to a decentralized exchange, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and earning fees or rewards in return. It's a bit more complex, and you've really got to understand how smart contracts work. The rewards can be high, but so are the risks. Smart contract bugs, rug pulls, and price volatility can wipe out your earnings if you're not careful. Speaking of DeFi, some folks also make money through lending platforms. Basically, you lend out your crypto to others and earn interest. Platforms like Aave, Compound, or even centralized ones like Nexo and BlockFi used to be popular for this. Though after recent events in the space, it's super important to research who you're trusting with your money. Not all lending platforms are equal, and some have gone under. So always read the fine print and look into how secure the platform really is. Now let's not ignore NFTs, those digital collectibles that took over the internet. Some people made serious money flipping NFTs during the hype cycles, buying low and selling high just like with coins. But this market is super speculative. One day an NFT is worth thousands. The next, it's worthless. Unless you're deep into the culture and have a good eye for what's trending, it's probably not the safest way to start. But if you're creative, making and selling your own NFTs, art, music, or even access passes can be a real opportunity. And finally, there's crypto content and education. Maybe you're not into trading or coding smart contracts, but if you understand the space and can explain it well, there's money to be made by sharing what you know. People are launching YouTube channels, writing newsletters, running podcasts, or even offering online courses. The crypto world is still confusing for most people, so good educators are always in demand. So, where do you start? Start small. Don't throw in more money than you're willing to lose. Learn the basics. How wallets work, how to use exchanges, what gas fees are, how to protect your assets. Then slowly figure out what strategy suits you best. Maybe you're a long-term holder. Maybe you want to experiment with staking or dive into DeFi. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Crypto can be a powerful tool to build wealth, but only if you treat it with respect. The people who win in this game? They're not just lucky. They're the ones who stay curious, stay cautious, and keep learning as the space evolves. That's where the real money is.